Alam mo yung feelings na mag-impake ka na pabalik na sa trabaho, ibang feelings eh. Sa mag-impake na pauwi ka ba, bakasyon. But, you know, for now, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Kailangan na nating babalik sa trabaho. Kailangan na naman na nating kikita na naman para sa pangkabuhayan natin, pamilya, and all that. You know, marami pang mga projects na mga nasa plano, mga iniisip. But, you know, at least nakapagbakasyon. Kahit madali lang yung bakasyon. If you're having a good time, time flies very fast. Yun yung kasabihan dyan. Yeah, but anyway, wala naman akong reklamo dito. I still love this job, you know. I still love being at sea. Maganda, yan yung nakasanayan ko eh. Kaya nga minsan iniisip ko dyan na, my God, paano ako mag-transition pag ako'y mag-retiro na? Kasi ever since, from the beginning, that's all the job that I have, being at sea. But I'm sure we will get to that time and then we will cross the bridge when we get there. But lilipad na ako bukas ng gabi actually, so I'm pretty much ready now. So I set my heart, you know, I've been here many times before. Are you gonna be sad? Are you gonna be sad? Malarga na rin ako.
So sweet. Isa pa.
Bye-bye. Tunalay sa ka.
Bye-bye dong.
Bye. 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 Sus, kahumutog ka ng kuwan eh.
Dali na kayo.
Ito na. Ito na yung realidad. It hits hard. Bye. Alright. Just passed through all the screening system. You know what it's like to be a overseas Filipino worker. You're gonna have to go through so much. I've just passed through the immigration and it's all done. So it's gonna get real from here. You know, this is it. Work mode in the next few hours, but I can do this. You know, it's very hard to say goodbye earlier to the family, but that's the hardest part, being OFW, you know. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, but yeah, still grateful. It is getting very real. This is the airplane. I'm going through Hong Kong this time. Lahat ng kontrata ganito nagsisimula. Isang airport, isang maleta, isang paalam. Habang umangat ang eroplano, unti-unting lumiit ang mga bahay sa baba. Pero mas lumalaki ang responsibilidad. Sa transit, parang nasa gitna ka ng dalawang mundo. Hindi ka nasa bahay, pero hindi ka pa rin tuluyang nasa trabaho. Tahimik lang, maraming iniisip, pero buo na ang desisyon. Paglapag, ibang mindset na ulit. Mula sa pagiging ama, makabalik sa pagiging crew. Thank you. Thank you, bye.
係，誒個電話嗰個翻嚟攞落去 unlock 咗，我叫佢直接 unlock 咗。
Alright, ito na yung hinihintay natin. Kakalabas ko lang from the immigration and the baggage screening. So ito yung local flights papuntang Mallorca. Haba-haba din yung flight from Hong Kong to Madrid. You know, I haven't done that for a while. The long flight, 16 hours yata yun also. But I'm happy, nandito na, dumating safe and sound.
If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the flight.
Good afternoon, dear passengers. Welcome aboard. This is the captain speaking. Welcome to this flight number 1663, destination Mallorca. Only to inform you that we are beginning our approach, estimated to land in Mallorca in 20 minutes time at 3:20 p.m. local time. The last weather report said there are scattered clouds, winds from the west, and the temperature
Atentamente. En caso de tener que realizar una evacuación, deben abandonar el avión dejando su equipaje de mano a bordo. Gracias por su colaboración. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be arriving at our destination in a few minutes.
Paglapag, pamilyar ng pakiramdam. I feel relief na nakarating ng maayos. On the way to the boat, makikita mo yung dagat, makikita mo yung katedral, mga yate. I've been here before. Para lang akong umuwi sa isang lugar na tinitirhan ko. Pero ang puso ko, my mind is still nandun pa rin sa bahay. You know, that feeling of sadness somehow. Pamilyar ang lugar. Pamilyar din ng routine.
That's good.
You know? Pero ang tahimik at lungkot hindi pa rin nawawala. At dito na naman nagsisimula ulit.
Welcome home! Ako na yung amo at yan.
Lamang nagtarong. Sa manito halay.
Welcome home, sir. Love blooming kayo. O di ba mo sa kusuging hangin, di ba?
Nandito na tayo sa yate. Kakarating lang about an hour ago. So ito na yung normal life ko as a seaman. Balik na tayo sa yate. Ibang mindset na naman tayo. Wala na tayo sa bakasyon. So back to working mode na tayo. Which is ganito naman talaga ang buhay ko most of the time. Because you know, mas mahaba pa ang trabaho natin kaysa bakasyon eh. So in the next episode of this channel will be more about my, you know, buhay ko sa yate, trabaho namin dito and what not. So kung bago ka lang dito, mag-subscribe ka na. Kasi on the next episode, it's gonna be more on yachting, boats, and everything as you can see around here. So yeah, mag-subscribe ka na and I will see you on the next video. So bye for now.